It seems like there is somebody in there. Sammy, you've scared me. Better go get some gummy bears, please.
Did you mean these gummy bears?
Yep, that's what I was talking about. But apparently we need more. Sammy, can we get more?
Sam will save the day. He really did that? Wow, that's a crazy story. Catch them, Sue, before they run away.
Wow. How did you lure them in?
I pretended to be one of them.
Ooh, smart. Now, they go here. This is still not enough.
Whoa, it's like I'm in my dream.
Sorry to burst your bubble of happiness, but we need more gummies.
Duh, I knew it was too good to be true.
Oh, come on! Better look at this! Isn't it just perfect? But I feel something's missing.
Sue! Watch out! It's gonna rain! I told ya! Get cover!
This rain is just what we need. Now we've got all the ingredients for our giant gummy bear.
Yeah, now I'll go and bake it.
Wait! No baking is needed. All we need is a hairdryer.
Okay, Sue, I'm ready to taste it.
Patience, my friend. We have to wait until it's solid.
Is it solid yet? And now? How about now?
Yes, I think now it's ready.
Really? It is solid!
Let's get it out of the mold and put it on a plate. We need to be very careful not to ruin our gummy bear. Ah, it's intact, and it looks just perfect. Who's ready to taste it?
I am ready, Sue! Come on, do it faster!
Here you go. Bon appetit!
Yay! Can I also have a bite, please?
Sure! Hey, you remind of someone?
No, it can't be! I'd like a piece, too.
Now, I've definitely seen you before.
Yum!
Really, Sammy? Everything just for you?
Okay, I'll keep this one for Roger!
How about adding even more rainbow magic to this day with rainbow waffles?
Sue, but where's the main color? Pink?
Sorry, Sammy. Not today. Now, could you bring me a bowl?
Hey, Sue, look what I've got!
Oh? Our cooking process can't wait.
Here's an egg.
Got it. And it's safe and sound. I mean, we still need to break it, but it's better to do it this way. Time to add some butter and milk.
Can I?
Sure.
Oh, I'm really good at this.
Definitely. And the last ingredient, flour. Now, we need to divide our batter into 5 portions and color them all.
Sue, my slimy muscles aren't for carrying heavy stuff. You're welcome.
Thank you, Sammy. And your muscles are quite all right.
Really, Sue? Ew!
Oops, sorry.
Sue, you gotta be more careful. Yummy.
No, Sam. You shouldn't eat the batter. Here, let me help.
Ugh, I'm all sticky now.
Let's just keep going. Now, all we can do is wait until our waffle is ready.
Don't know about the waffle, but I am ready.
Okay, Sammy. I guess both you and the waffle are ready now. Here it goes.
So, is it just for one? You're not hungry, right?
Huh? How about we share?
Oh, great idea! And it looks just like a real rainbow now.
Wait, I know how to make it even better. These are just some fluffy clouds.
Tasty clouds!
Oh, come on!
I knew that these fluffy clouds were gonna be sweet.
Oh, you did, didn't you? Sammy, you were right.
Hey, that was my cloud!
No need to get upset. I've got a surprise for you.
I like surprises!
Huh? What's going on?
Susan, your waffle turned me into Rainbow!
I'm not eating this.
My prank worked like a charm!
It's time for some ice-cold magic. We won't need this.
Sue, are you trying to make fun of me?
That's for that prank of yours. Now, we need to cut these bad boys. Kia! We will also need a blender. A little bit of milk and blend.
I'll help the blender. Here you go. I'm a blending pro.
Thanks. Let's prepare for the next stage, coloring.
Did someone say coloring? Duh!
Oh, thanks, Sammy. That's just what we need.
Let's better make it orange.
Huh? But I don't have the orange coloring?
No problem. I know a trick. Mix red and yellow, and you'll get orange.
Wow, cool life hack.
I know, right? Ah! Not the shot!
Sammy, you didn't get it. It's for our future ice cream. Look! Ta-da! 6 rainbow ice creams.
Whoa, can I try? One? Pretty please?
No, no, no. We need to freeze them first. Be patient.
They have to be ready now.
Oh, Sammy, you're frozen.
You see, Sue, I had to control the process.
Oh, poor thing. Okay, let's try. Huh? I can't get it out.
Wait a second. I know another trick. Here, put it in hot water for a second.
What? You sure? Okay. Wow! It worked! Okay, here's your reward.
My precious!
And this one's for me.
I won't say no to another one.
Wow, that was fast.
And very tasty.
Ah, look how cozy it is here.
Yep, and my mood couldn't be better. Thanks so much, Susie.
Huh? What's that noise?
Ugh, what a terrible day.
Wait. I bet I can change that.
Nah.
Come with me.
You can't cheer me up.
Oh, really? How about that?
You were right. This day is great.
Guys, if you liked the way we turned this day into a good one, like this video.
Subscribe to this channel to learn new things with me. And if you're moody, this is for you. La 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 la. You're going in. And done. This is the last ingredient.
What are you doing, Sammy?
I wanted something to treat myself with, so I decided to test new culinary magic.
But you didn't need to mess up the whole kitchen and, ruin the poppet. Let's go. I'll show you good culinary magic.
That's what I was hoping for!
Hi, guys. Today we're gonna make an unusual poppet cake.
A cake and a poppet are the best things in the world, so why don't we mix them together?
Oh, thanks for the spoon, Sammy. First, we need to mix all the dry ingredients in a bowl. Like this.
Guys, give us a thumbs up if you like baking like we do!
And feel free to ask an adult to join you. It's always fun cooking together.
Yes, I agree, but I prefer eating alone. All the more for me! Sue, is this a bowl for wet ingredients? Am I right? Ah! You scared me! It looked like the eggs were gonna fall right on my head.
This is what you get for not sharing with your best friend, who always helps you with cooking.
Oh, Sue, come on. I'm ready to give you anything. Even this sugar.
What a coincidence! It looks exactly like the one I've prepared for this craft. Sammy, could you be so kind to put a pot with water on a cooker? Now we'll add some salt. Be careful not to add too much.
Here's the water. But I don't remember us doing this in the previous cooking episodes.
It's called a bain-marie. We'll put the mixture on the pot with boiling water and start mixing it very well. But don't let it boil, guys. We just need to heat it up a bit until sugar is completely dissolved.
Good macarons. Oh, hot.
Sammy, are you okay? Guys, I strongly recommend to ask an adult to help you on this stage. The steam can be very hot. Well, our mixture is warm enough.
We can move on to the mixer.
Oh, I'm so happy you're all right, Sammy. But let me do this, okay? And that's it! Now we are going to add the dry mixture here, but only half of it.
Sue, how about a fast taste test?
Don't rush, Mr. I Want all at once, but this I will take. Guys, try to mix the batter very slow, from the bottom to the top, so it will be airy and fluffy.
You told me you'll show good culinary magic, and still nothing.
Okay, you're gonna be surprised. Secretius Ingredius Superius! Whoa, it worked!
Actually, it looks like batter. And smells like it too, only buttery. Sue, it seems your magic trick didn't work.
Nope, it did. This is the secret ingredient that will make our batter consistency pretty cool. We've just added some melted butter and a bit of vanilla extract to the second part of our batter. Now, Sammy, could you please heat up the oven to 175 degrees Celsius, but be careful.
Sure thing.
This is the classic recipe for a chocolate cake. They say the classics are always the best, because there's nothing redundant here.
Sue, holy cannoli, no time to chat. The oven is ready.
I guess he's in such a hurry because he wants to taste the cake as soon as possible.
Of course I do. Who would say no to a cake? Guys, give a thumbs up if you agree. Let's see how many of us there are.
In the meantime, I'll go put this into the oven for 50 minutes.
But don't you go anywhere and you'll see the final result. Trust me, you'll be surprised.
La 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 la.
Sue, no! Shiver me cheddars, what have you done? You ruined the cake and we've tried so hard.
Where is the template I asked you to prepare?
Here it is. Sue, are you not listening? I promised our viewers they would be surprised. What are you doing?
We're gonna make a beautiful butterfly by cutting all excess. Guys, don't forget about safety. Hup! Or you'd better ask an adult to help.
Interesting. Does it mean you don't need this anymore?
I know what you want to ask, Sammy. Yes, you can eat it. And the crust, too. I cut it so the cake would be much moister.
Hooray!
And while he's distracted, let's make the frosting. Sam likes it very much, so there is a chance he'll eat everything up. But our cake can't do without it, so let's speed up. And it came out great! Since we're making a rainbow cake, we just need to… Great!
Sue, don't take it personal, but I thought the colors would be brighter.
Yeah, I know, but if you ask me, these shades will look awesome too. See for yourself!
You're right, it looks good! I just remembered we've already made a unicorn rainbow cake and it was very bright.
Ooh, I remember it too. It was so pretty. We've prepared so many cakes, guys. It's hard to list them all.
I'll try an imposter cake, a gigantic Oreo cake, an M&M's cake, a jelly pond cake, and… I can't! There are too many of them.
Guys, have you watched those videos? Well, you know where to find them.
Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our new recipes.
I think my favorite one is a slick slime Sam cake. It looked exactly like you, Sammy.
And this one is my favorite. Will you bake the same one for my birthday?
But you haven't tried it yet.
A chocolate biscuit and creamy frosting? What could be better?
I agree, Sammy. By the way, we're done.
Hell, the great Tabitha, I'm ready to eat. Here is my spoon.
Oh no, Sammy, wait a second. It's not the time.
Ah!
We're getting to the finish line, guys. Stay tuned. This one goes here. Yeah, right?
Okay. Uh-huh. I see. Right.
Sammy, what are you doing? You don't let me work on the cake.
I had to check everything, so the examination showed that the cake is awesome, but it still has nothing to do with the puppet.
Don't jump to conclusions, Mr. Smarty Pants. Tell me, what colors do our cake rainbow have?
Ha! It's easy, Sue. Purple, blue, green, yellow, and pink like me!
Awesome! Now everything's ready for making a perfect poppet.
Somebody said a perfect puppet.
Ooh, all over again. This lecture is about a perfect poppet. Here we go.
By the mozzarella, I know something about perfect puppets. I have a PhD in this field. The first and one of the most important things is a shape. Plain round or square ones are boring. I'm all for unusual puppet shapes.
He can speak like this for hours. Trust me, guys.
The second thing is bubbles. They should be nice to pop.
I'm just working on the whole construction.
And last but not least, the colors. It's just a matter of taste, of course, but the brighter the merrier.
If I remember clearly, you didn't like these colors.
Not at all. I just wanted to remind the guys of the unicorn cake so they could watch the video one more time.
Okay, now I see. Now we can start assembling our cake.
Sue, everybody knows I'm a master of decorations, but I haven't shown off my skills for ages.
Go ahead, Sammy. I believe in you.
Yay! Whoosh!
Wow, such an awesome cake we have, guys. But there is still one thing missing.
And what could it possibly be?
The edges.
Shiver me cheddars, how could I? But it's easy to fix.
No, Sammy. You've already done a great job. Let me take care of this. I'm so lucky to have such a great helper like Sammy.
Frankly speaking, I've never seen a cake like this in my whole life. It's so beautiful.
Yeah, I'm so excited to see the result. Huh? I'm glad it's the final touch.
I have to say, Sue, now I'm gonna call you a master of cake making. It's just amazing.
Sammy, I'm really impressed. Thank you. Now let's take another look at our gorgeous cake in all its glory.
Wow, it would be a pity to cut this beauty. And boop! Oh, I forgot it's not a real puppet. Again! Haha.
Did you change your mind? Are we not gonna eat it?
Of course we are. I like playing, but I like eating cakes more.
Here we go. Be careful with the knife, guys.
Looks like you're cutting the rainbow itself. Am I right?
Wow, this piece looks awesome.
Whoa, so beautiful! Can I also have one, please?
Sure, but first we need to bring the spoons and say goodbye to our viewers.
Be right back. Bye-bye, guys.
Oh, Sammy. Thanks for being with us today, guys. Subscribe to our channel and see you soon.